Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, we got these interior LED lights. We're gonna be putting these here underneath the seats. As y'all can see, I got the little kit sitting on my seat. But I think I'm gonna go with the cigarette lighter hookup because I like the on and off. I'm able to turn them on, turn them off without unhooking nothing up. And plus, I just have this here right here, and that's why I use it like to charge my phone and play my phone and stuff. So, and it come with this little box right here, just as well as this remote. So we're gonna be putting a strip somewhere over here, just as well as the other side, and we're gonna run two at the back. I'm gonna find a place to mount this box. I'm thinking about putting it somewhere up in this area. I think I done found the place to put this box. Since the infrared stick out this end, I think I'm gonna just stick it behind here. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this how the back look. And I'm gonna get another set, and I'm gonna put it under here, and I might put some in the back as well. So, but for now, that's how we looking, guys. And I also have these blue lights up here. They came with the truck. So we're gonna be leaving it on blue. But besides that, you guys, I also have my switch. That came in today as well. So I'm gonna be finding a way to put that switch up here. And I had that video for y'all as well. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to, thought I'd just come out here and just show y'all these little lights, man. I think they're pretty cool. And tell you the truth, I'm gonna be getting something to run up under these here as well. And we're gonna probably do something to these running bulbs because they losing color. But besides that, y'all, that's it for the baby. So y'all jump down in them comments, leave your boy a comment, subscribe to the channel. Baby,